302 North San Francisco Cabrini Avenue. It's literally 3 blocks from the bus station at Mart's. This is a second floor apartment. On-street parking. Lock-in mailboxes. The front porch. Porch out, come on. Its own private entrance. Nice stained glass lamp. It's my partner. Room here for a coat rack or something. It's all fresh paint, brand new carpet, new kitchen, new bath, new everything. You have an intercom system that works the front doorbell as well. Here's the kitchen. You have a space for like a rectangle table right over here. There's granite countertops that's been ordered that they're coming. Stainless steel appliances, double door oven, new stainless fridge. Heat is included. Ceiling fan in here, hood vent. And this goes into a very large living room. Ceiling fans with the remotes. Here's the bathroom. New tub surround. Nice base cabinet and drawers. So they got some shelves with some linens there. Here's the intercom for downstairs as well. You got a light. Yeah, the last tenant here had a table. It was perfect. It was like a rectangle table and it fit right over there in front of the heater. And coming down, you have a coat closet, pretty much walk in. It's pretty deep. And a large bedroom able to handle a king size bed, no problem in here. Vinyl windows. Heat is included in here. You just need to pay electric for your lights and that's it. And water. Plenty of closet space, which is nice. If you're interested in this property, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com. That's P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application and we'll be in touch by our next business day with further instruction on how to view this property. It's a quiet house. In a quiet area, close to everything. The main avenue is a block up. Quiet neighbors. And as always, parking on the streets as well. And that's parking for, landlord lives up on the 3rd floor actually, part-time, and that's the parking back there. So that's Lackawanna Avenue right there, and that is Lafayette Street right there. And for how busy it is in the middle of the day, there's not no traffic coming by here. Alright, so if you're interested, you know what to do. It's a beautiful place.